Morning everybody, it's John at Senior Moments. So today I'm going to be putting up more of my heated cables for ice damming on the front of the house. Protects the roof from ice dams and lifting up the roof shingles and water leaking into the house. So you do it on the eave part. Alright, so this is the zigzag of the cable. So it goes to the wall underneath to the gutter, so it melts the ice so it doesn't lift up all these tiles and ice get underneath it and ruin the roof. So now I gotta take this one down and put this one over the top there, and put the new one over there. Here we go, somehow. And the other thing, when you're working with ladders, the object of the game is you stand with your feet at the bottom and you reach out with your hands standing straight up. So if that angle is an arm's length, that's the angle of your at straight out chest height. That's the correct angle for your ladder. You don't want it in too far, so your arms are bent, and you don't want it out too far to where you're not reaching it at arm's length. That gives you the right angle for the stability of your ladder for your size.